Hello everyone, welcome to the brand new series of Learning Microsoft Outlook, in which we will be sharing how and when to use the required Outlook tools. In today's video, we'll have a look at when and how to use BCC blind carbon copy field while sending an email. First, we need to understand when we should use the BCC option. As the title explains itself, blind carbon copy, which means it is used when we have to send an email to a number of people in a way that the email addresses of other recipients will remain invisible. Any recipient added in BCC field will not be shown to other recipients of that email. It will help to keep the privacy of recipients mentioned in BCC field. While in normal message, addresses mentioned in to and CC, which is carbon copy field, are visible to everyone, but not in BCC field. So for bulk, marketing, or communication emails, BCC field is commonly used option. So let's see how to use this option using Microsoft Outlook. So first, you need, whenever you go to type the new email address, simply click on new email. Now see, by default, Microsoft Outlook give you option of to, CC, subject, and send option, but there is no BCC field by default. So in order to use this feature, what we need to do is we need to click on options, and then we need to click on BCC. Once we click on it, we'll get an option of this BCC field. So it's simple, type any address, and there you go, you can send it, right? So this is very simple, and let's do it again for your convenience. If I'll uncheck it, so the BCC option will go, and if I'll click on BCC, so I'll get this option. So to, for recipient to whom we are directly sending an email, CC carbon copy, and then BCC blind carbon copy. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more learning videos, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thanks.